Hello everyone, I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Department of Cybersecurity in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In today's lecture, I'm going to talk about need for virtualization. So mainly we are getting into the virtualization for using hardware and some other software services that will not be inbuilt in our system. So let's see that. So main thing, what is virtualization? So it has a physical server, and here we have a multiple operating systems. So we can access multiple operating systems simultaneously by using this virtualization. Next, it has independent virtual machines. So for every hardware or a software specification, it has a separate environment, like independent environment, so we can execute any kind of operations on it. Cloud computing foundation means here we can also use the cloud computing concept. So if you want, if you require any particular service or resources, means you can get it by using this. So this cloud computing techniques adopts the virtualization concept. Reducing infrastructure cost, so it reduces the infrastructure cost, and because it avoids excess hardware purchase, we don't want to purchase any kind of resources or hardware for it. So if you're buying a new kind of hardware, means the cost of it is very high. So if you have connected with a virtual machine, means we can easily um, create operations and other kind of things, and we don't want to pay that much amount of fee or a cost. So mainly it increases the utilization of a physical hardware, because a physical system, it is a single application. If you want to execute a multiple applications, mean it is possible by using the virtualization concept. So direct cost saving. So the direct cost is saved by using this. It reduces the energy consumption, and it also minimizes the physical space and also less waste and carbon footprint. So the energy reduction means the electricity bill and the cooling of a server room, and also the power charges will be reduced by using this. And the physical space required to store a large amount of hardware is also reduced by using this concept, and also it doesn't produces the carbon footprint of hardware. Here we are only using a physical device, and other device hardware devices are connected by using a virtual machine concept. In simplified administration, we can manage all the machines, and it will be stored in a centralized location, and we can also streamline all the process, so we can consolidate all the process immediately, and the maintenance time of all the uh, hardwares and softwares will be reduced, and also a platform is also is automated, so we can easily deploy any kind of operation. Improved scalability. So the scalability of the particular physical system is improved because we are using a virtualization concept. If you're required, it can increase hardware space is increased, or if you don't require a particular thing, you can decrease the space or a hardware software kind of things. So we can do any kind of adjustment using this. So a disaster recovery is also enhanced in this virtual machines, because all the virtual machines are created, and it will be automatically back up their information. So it is stored in some particular location. So from that location, you can easily get that information. So if failures occur anywhere, that will not affect the main informations or a virtual machines in it. And also it increases the uptime of a service. So any time you can use your service in any location. So from this lecture, you can understand about what is virtualization, why we need a virtualization. Thank you.